As UNICEF, we are proud to be co-hosting today's event in partnership with the Gaborone City Council, the Ministry of Child Welfare and Basic Education, the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Local Government and Traditional Affairs. Together, we are working to embed play into every stage of childhood, especially during the crucial early years. Early moments matter. We also call stakeholders to promote play-based learning approaches in early childhood development and primary education. Make sure it's play-based, especially for early childhood, because that helps in retention and demand for these guys to go to school. To the children in Botswana, today is your day, you guys. Today is your day. Laugh, run, create, share, and include others. Invite others from the other schools so that you enjoy and learn what's happening in the other school. And to our colleagues in government, our partners in development, and our friends in the private sector, let's continue to stand together year after year to make Botswana a model of children's rights, a country that honors, protects, and celebrates every child's right to play. As we mark this important day, let us live here with one united message. For every child in Botswana, play is not a privilege, it is a right and a necessity. Let us choose play every day for a healthier, happier, and more inclusive Botswana.